Two giants, Webflow and WordPress. The design legend versus the content king. One big question. Which one really delivers? On the left, Webflow, a visual-first, code-optional powerhouse for pixel-perfect sites. And on the right, WordPress, the world's leading CMS with endless plugins and open flexibility. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. All right, before diving in, let's look at the categories we'll use to compare these tools. We're talking design and customization, CMS and content management, ease of use, scalability and SEO, e-commerce, hosting and performance, and, oh yeah, collaboration. Each one is kinda a different battlefield. So let's see how they stack up. First up, design and customization. So with Webflow, oh man, if you're the type who loves to tweak every pixel and see changes in real time, Webflow is kinda mind-blowing. You get pixel-perfect drag and drop control. Amazing built-in animations, but I've got to admit, if you're not a designer, it does feel steep at first. Now with WordPress, you've got, thousands of themes. And with page builders like Elementor, customization's possible. But you'll notice, pixel-perfect results often mean, rolling up your sleeves and coding. And let's not forget, switching themes can get you locked in. So for this round, Webflow just pulls ahead. Next up, CMS and content management. Webflow is pretty modern here, honestly. Structured CMS, easy collaboration, dynamic layouts. All nice, but there's a catch. Limits on CMS items. And if you're really into blogging, Webflow feels less mature. WordPress, though, this is literally its home turf. Unlimited posts and pages? Check. Custom post types? SEO plugins galore. Yoast. Rank math. Downside? You've got to keep up with updates, and sometimes plugins get you advanced features, but also extra hassle. No contest here. WordPress totally owns CMS. Let's talk ease of use. Webflow's vibe is no code, all in one. You sign up, jump in, edit everything visually. Hosting's built in. Amazing for, just getting stuff launched. Sure, coders might want more, and sometimes you wish for more third-party stuff. But now, WordPress. Huge plugin ecosystem. Ultimate flexibility. You can go business ready if you're okay with coding. But honestly, for non-tech folks, setting up hosting, themes, updates can feel overwhelming. So Webflow makes life way easier here. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know WordPress powers over 40% of the web? But Webflow is actually the fastest growing visual builder right now in 2025. Pretty wild, right? Scalability and SEO, right? Webflow's got solid built-in SEO tools, structured content, and responsive by default. Generally great. Unless you want to go super deep with SEO stuff, then, it's not as extensible. On the other hand, WordPress, it's legendary for scale. Advanced SEO plugins, huge community, and you can grow from a tiny blog to, a huge business site. Only thing, your speed and SEO depend a ton on your plugins and host. But still, WordPress wins for scale and SEO. Moving on, e-commerce. Webflow is super clean for small shops. You get stylish product pages, everything native. But scaling gets pricey and a bit limited. For WordPress, it's honestly wild. WooCommerce powers so many online stores, and it can scale on the cheap. You want total customization? It's here. Downside, though, the setup is not simple, and the real muscle comes with the business-level plans. But for sheer power, WordPress takes the win. Hosting and performance. With Webflow, hosting is totally handled. Built on AWS, fast, secure, you don't need to fuss with servers. The only thing is, you get less control. And if your site grows huge, costs sneak up. WordPress lets you pick any host, tweak your server, watch costs. But with that, performance and security vary, and you sign up for more back-end maintenance. So, for simplicity and speed out the box, Webflow is the winner. Collaboration. Webflow's real-time team editing is pretty sweet, and the workflow feels super designer-friendly. You can bill clients too, but you get fewer user roles overall. WordPress, though, it's proven. Giant teams use it all the time, and you've got granular permissions, plus tons of enterprise plugins. But real-time editing? Not really a thing here, honestly. It's a tie for collaboration. All right, let's look at the head-to-head radar chart. You'll see Webflow is killing it in design, ease of use, and hosting. WordPress, absolute king for content, SEO, and e-commerce. Collaboration? Right in the middle. So, what's my vibe here? Webflow crushes it if you want stunning design, speed, and simplicity. Perfect for creators or agencies wanting everything visual. But if you're building a massive blog, need deep SEO tools, or just want raw control, WordPress is the obvious pick. Bottom line, Pick your poison. But honestly, both are epic in 2025. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.